everybody, my name is Michael. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. We're going to be looking at the Python Crash Course 2-3 personal message and 2-4 name cases in this video. Jumping into 2-3 personal message, we are tasked with using a variable to represent a person's name and then just printing a message using that variable as a placeholder for some longer message. So let's go ahead and create a name variable, and let's assign this to a string which represents the word Michael. We want to go ahead and print a message. I'm going to call the print function, and we're going to do an f string so we can input the name variable directly into the print function, into the string portion. Hello. And then we're going to use our brackets here to insert the variable name into the f string. And then we will continue with the rest of the string. So hello name, would you like to learn some Python today? Question mark. Alright, and if we run this, we get hello Michael, would you like to run some Python today? Alright, moving on to 2-4 name cases. We have our name cases.py file here, and we're going to use a variable to represent a person's name and then print that person's name in lowercase, uppercase, and title case. So we're going to take the same name variable as we had before, which is quote Michael. Alright, and we want to then convert this name into lowercase. We want to convert it into uppercase, and then we want to do the title case. So let's go ahead and just print the actual variable. We'll do the f string again so we can actually insert the variable name here as a representative. And then inside of the bracket actually associated to the variable itself, we want to attach the method dot lower, which will convert the name variable or the data inside the name variable to a lowercase method. All right, if we go ahead and let me clear out the previous, and we go ahead and run this, as you can see, we get Michael in lowercase. Now let's do the same thing here. We want to call the print function again, do an f string so we can insert that variable directly in. We want to put the name here, and we want to do dot upper this time around, which converts the entire string to uppercase. Now if we go ahead and run this, as you can see, we get Michael and Michael in uppercase. Now lastly, we need the title case, so it's as simple as calling the print function one more time, putting in that f string to represent so we can insert the variable name directly in using brackets or curly braces. And then we will go ahead and do that. We will put the name variable inside the f string, but this time we were going to give it the dot title method, which will make the first character in the string a uppercase for a title method. If we go ahead and run this, we should have three outputs, and as you can see, we have Michael in lowercase, Michael in uppercase, and then Michael with the first letter capitalized. And I will go ahead just to show that the upper method is working appropriately. Go ahead and change the name actual to all lowercase and run that one more time. And as you can see, it still is converting that first character M to an uppercase. All right, this has been the 2-3 personal message and 2-4 name cases. Thanks for watching.